Just about a lot of things I love about money. The money never judges, so me get it how you can. The money doesn't switch, your money doesn't act funny. The money turn a young boy into a grown man.
Hello, hi everybody. My name is Nandina Shitiba, and yes, this is Grow Yo a Penny, where finance is made simple. If it is your first time being on my channel, please like and subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, welcome back. And as always, I'm bringing you something that will make your life a whole lot easier. So today we are talking about tax as a whole. As you know, in South Africa, in July, tax season is starting, and a lot of people do not know how to e-file, so they would rather wait in long queues. But as you know, COVID-19 is rife right now. So a lot of people cannot be waiting in long lines, and it's just going to be a risk for them. So I do really suggest that you file online. Just moving to the business of the day. First things first, obviously, when you want to file your taxes, you need to have a tax number. And if you have forgotten your tax number, the best thing is to go download the app, the SARS app, which you can see right now, and then just enter your ID number or register your account, and automatically your tax number will be seen. But if you want to find out about your tax number before registering for e-filing, just check on your payslip or your IRP5, or alternatively you can call SARS on 0800 007277, and they will automatically give you your tax number. All you need to provide is your ID number, and they will give it to you. And for those without a tax number, these are the steps that you should follow. So I'm going to be reading a lot or looking down a lot, because I want to be accurate with the information that I'm giving you, as it is something new to me also. The first time I filed my taxes was last year, so I'm also getting used to the process as I'm talking to you guys. So for those who want to register their tax numbers, you will have to go to the SARS branch to register, but this is a once-off process. So once you've registered your tax number, it is for life. It's unfortunate that you need to go personally to register it, but after that it is done and it's over with. So the documents that will be needed, obviously, either your ID book or your ID card, or a valid driver's license, and this must be a South African ID. Okay, so I don't know what other IDs you guys have, but make sure it's a South African ID. And then you have a copy of your ID which is certified. So you go to the police station and you get it certified. And then you're going to need a proof of address that is not older than 3 months, that shows all the details on it. And then they're going to need also your banking details. These banking details need to show your legal name, your account number, your account type, and the branch. Please, please, please use a bank statement, because I feel the bank statement has accurate information enough to provide all of these that I have mentioned. And if you have a joint account where maybe you're married or you have a life partner, you're going to need to bring an affidavit. If not, you will have to bring a valid marriage certificate, a copy of a valid marriage certificate. Preferably, it needs to be certified. And after that, you need to go to your nearest branch, which you can search on www.sars.co.za, or alternatively just enter on Google, where is the nearest branch, or the nearest branch near me. That works. And yeah, after that whole process, I know with COVID-19, there's something I should mention. You can't simply just go to SARS. So you can just Google the process of how it works now to get your tax number. Because I do know there has been some bookings that you need to make in order to see consultants or speak to consultants. So just find out the process on that, since we're living in different times. So after that, you're ready for e-filing.
So yes, guys, the next step is to download your SARS movie app. You can find it on Play Store if you are using an Android, and if you're using an iPhone, wherever you download your applications, and that's how the app looks. Then you're just gonna log into it. So for those who haven't registered with the app, this is the steps that you use to register, and you create an account. So because I filed my taxes last year, I already have an account. From here, you click the My Tax Return ITR12 link, and that is where you will find a form, and here you will create your own income tax return based on the information you provide. So like I said, at the recording of this video, it is June 2021. So tax season only starts in July 2021. So when I press here, and now I log in because I already have an account. I log in. It won't take me to a form because tax season is not yet started. But as you can see, this is my tax return for 2020. You can see there's my tax number, my names, my initials rather, and the year of assessment, and when I filed. And as we go down and see, like I said, after pressing the ITR12 link, you will find a form, and this will create your own income tax return based on information you provide. There's going to be a message that pops up, and you must carefully read that message for banking details and a message from your employer, your tax number, and the year. Make sure this information is correct. And then you will now answer questions according to your tax affairs, depending on what it will be, depending on what your income tax will be customized as. So depending on how you complete all the widgets, they will be color coordinated. So if it's red, you will need to provide more information, and if it's blue, it means you have provided enough information. So there will be some information that will be already recorded for you. So you will just need to confirm if it is correct. These are information maybe that SARS has found from your employer or any other source, maybe your medical aids. Just make sure all these information match up with the receipts that you have. And then the most important section that I think we all care about is the deductions that ultimately help us to pay less tax. This section is very important. You should make sure all the things that you supply are accurate, and you must look at what is automatically given to you, compare it to the documents that you have, and then add what is not there to your deductions. When you are done, you can calculate tax return by clicking calculate, and it will automatically save it. So as you could see, last year was my first time filing taxes, and I didn't press calculate. But if you calculate for yourself, you can find out an accurate amount of tax return that you could potentially get. But even if you don't, SARS will do that on your behalf. So now we come to the step where you are done with everything, and you get an option of whether to submit. Once you submit, you submit it to SARS. You need to make sure all your information is accurate, as you cannot come back and amend it. The best alternative, I think, for me is to work piece by piece on your tax return to make sure that it is accurate. So to do that, you would rather press save and not submit. So just a disclaimer, saving is not is not the same as submitting. So even though you will consistently make changes and save, make sure you do come back and submit. And once you are done with that, as you can see, you can view your return, you can view your refund status. But then as you are waiting for SARS to either verify your tax return, you can click the ITR12 under notice of assessment, and there you will know whether you are being audited or whether your tax return is being verified. And that is the steps that you can use. And there's the app. Can clearly see you can manage anything from your app, basically tax wise. And just get yourself familiar. Here's the services, notice of registration. You can literally use this app for everything.
So yeah guys, that is it from me. Tax season is upon us, and I hope this video just gave you a sort of clear picture on what to do in terms of your tax returns. My name is 99 Shitib, and this was Grow Your Penny. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you for tuning in and for supporting me all the time, and thank you for tuning in to my content. I have many other videos that are based on finances, investments, and properties. So please do make sure to watch them. I will put them below in the description. Thank you guys. Mwah.